Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated to my latest videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a user profile on WordPress. User profiles are essential for personalizing your WordPress experience and accessing various features. So let's get started. To begin, log into your WordPress account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Now look for the Users section and click on your profile. Here you will see the by default profile that is named as admin. Let's edit this profile here and click on the Edit button. On the profile page, you will find various form fields to customize your profile. Let's start with the personal options. First, we have the visual editor option. If you prefer to write using plain text, disable the visual editor. Otherwise, you can just enable it. Next, we have syntax highlighting option. If you don't want syntax highlighting while editing code, disable this option as well. Moving on, we have the admin color scheme. Choose a color scheme that suits your preferences, such as default, light, modern, blue, coffee, ectoplasm, midnight, ocean, and sunrise. So you can choose any color scheme of your choice from here. I will keep it default for now. Now we have this option, keyboard shortcuts. Under keyboard shortcuts, you can enable or disable keyboard shortcuts for your convenience. Now toolbar. The toolbar option allows you to show or hide the toolbar when viewing your site. Next, we have the language option. Select your preferred language from the drop-down menu. So right now, this is the site default language, that is English. Now let's move on to the name section. Here you will find fields to update your first name, last name, nickname. Fill in the required information. So in the admin profile, you cannot change this username, but you can just change this first name and last name here. And then I can just keep a nickname here. So this is by default admin. So the display name publicly as option allows you to choose how your name appears publicly on your website. So you can just select it from here. If you want to display it as admin, then you can just select admin. If you can just display it as Sam's Digital World, then you can just select it from here. You will have this email address field. If you make changes to your email address, you will receive a confirmation email to activate the new address. Next, you will see your website URL here. Next, we have the About Yourself section. Here you can add a short biography to personalize your profile. So I have already written some biographical information. So let's paste it here. And then let's move on to the profile picture. So if you want to change your profile picture, you can do so on Gravatar, a global avatar service. So I'm just going to teach you how you can just change or create your Gravatar from here in our next video. Right now, let's move on to the account management option. So here, if you want to set a new password, then you can just click here and set your new password. Otherwise, you can just keep your by default password here. And then you will see this sessions option here, so that you can log out from everywhere. If you have logged in on other devices, like on your mobile phone, then you can just log out from other devices from this option. So the next option is application passwords. So application passwords allows authentication via non-interactive systems, like for the applications or mobile applications, and those passwords will not be used for traditional logins for your website. So you can just set any application password from here, and then you can update your profile by clicking here. So finally, we have updated our admin profile, and if you want to add any new profile, then click on Add New. Alright, so let's add the username. Then you can add any email address, the first name, the last name, and you can add the website address as well. and you can generate any password from here. The password should be strong enough. If you want to send an email to the account user, then you can just click on this option and then assign the role. So you will see these 5 roles here: subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Subscribers are the users who can only manage their own profiles and subscribe to content updates. And the contributors can write and submit posts for the review, but they cannot publish them directly. And authors can write, edit, and publish their own posts. Editor have the ability to write, edit, publish, and delete any post on website, including the ones created by other users. And obviously, administrators have full control over the WordPress site, including managing users, installing plugins and themes, and making significant changes to the site settings. So you can assign any required role from here, and then you can click on the Add New User button. Alright, so finally the new user has been added here, and you can just do any changes from these options: edit, delete, view, send, password, reset, etc. And you can use other users as well with the same method. So congratulations, you have successfully created and customized your user profiles on WordPress. And in our next video, we will learn how we can just create our avatar for our WordPress user profile using Gravatar option. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks again, and I will see you in the next video.